like this way. So first order 3x plus 7y equals to 21. This is called associated equation or corresponding equation. Got it? Both names are same. So first we find to represent this on number on the x-y plane. First we find is ordered pairs. So that's purpose. First put if x equals to 0. Put x equal to 0. Then what will happen? So let's write here put x equal to 0. So put next x equal to 0 in first equation. Call this equation number 1. Alright. 3x plus 7y equals to 21. If x equal to 0 plus 7y equals 21. 0 plus 7y equals 21. 7y equals to 21. Y equals to divided by 7. 21 over 7. 21. Y equals to 3. So order pairs what we get if x equal to 0, 0 and 3. I hope it's clear. Alright. Now jump to next part. Put x equals to put y equals to 0. If y equals to 0, then what will happen? 3x plus 7y equals to 21. Put 3x plus y 0. 7. 7 and 0 equals 21. Alright. 3x 7 0 0 equals 21. 3x plus 0 3x equals 21. X equals to 21 over 3, 3 over 3 becomes 21. So answer is x equals to 3. So x equals to 7. Alright. Now, so what will be the order pairs we get at that point? X equals to 7 and y equals to 0. Now, by putting x equal to 0, I get order pairs 0 and 3. By putting y equal to 0, I get order pairs 7 and 0. I hope it's clear. Now, next point is test. Test point. Test point is that we have to verify it after this equation inequality is true or false. For that purpose, what we do, put origin 0 0, put 0 0 origin in the given inequality. The question that they have given us inequality. What was that? 3x plus 7y. 3x plus 7y written equals to 21. Now put x 0, 3 into 0 plus 7 into 0 equals to written equals to 21. 0 plus 0 written equals to 21. 0 written equals to 21. Is this true or false? Is 0 is greater than 21? Is this true? Think about it. Yes, it is not possible. 0 is always less than 21. This is not greater than 21. In that condition, this inequality is false. Alright? Not true. Pairs on the xy plane. Xy plane is this one. So, after represent x is 0, y is 3. First, x is 7, y is 0. So, it must be 10 up to 7. This is up to you. You have to take these points according to the ordered pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Opposite minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now, I have to represent this. X is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3. It must be here. This part is known as x is 0, y is 3. Next is x is 7, y is 0. X is 7, y is 0. X is 7, y is 0. Now by joining these 2 points, x and y, it's the straight line. So No. Arrows must. Arrows must. Now, next step is, as you can see, answer is false. By putting the original 0, 0 in the given inequality, answer we get false. So whenever the condition is false, then you have to make the area shaded to away from the origin. Towards origin was downside. Away from the origin must be like that. You have to shade like that. Outside. I am using this marker, you will solve it by using your pencil. Alright? But I am telling you how to do it on actually I am working on the board, so that's why it shows like that. But you have to do it by using pencil. So you have to shade it like that. And by joining these 2 points, it seems like a plane. Straight plane, like a scale. Alright? So, whenever you have to shade the area, it must be away from origin. When it is false, away from origin, outside. And if it is true, towards the origin, like inside. You got it? I have told you. First, we have to convert this into associated or corresponding equation. So, what is it? 5x minus 4y less than equals to 22. And so this equation is called associated equation or corresponding equation. Alright? It's up to you what you call it. Associated equation, okay. Corresponding equation, okay. Now, first we have to represent this on the xy plane. For that purpose, we need ordered pairs. So, what is it? Put x equal to 0 in the given equation. This is called equation number 1. Alright, put this x equal to 0 in equation number 1. 5x minus 4y equal to 20. 5 into 0 minus 4y equals to 20. 0 minus 4y equals to 20. And y equals to 20, y minus 4. Y equals to 20. So answer is minus 5. So at x equal to 0, y is minus 5. This is our first order pair. Any problem here? I hope not. Now next, put y equals to 0. Put y equals to 0. So 5x minus 4y equals to 20. 5x will remain same. Minus 4, what is y? 0 equals to 20. Alright, 5x, okay, 5x minus 0 equals to 20 and 5x equals to 20, x equals to 20 by 5, what is the answer? 4. So, at y equal to 0, if x answer is 4 and 0 ordered pairs we get. Any problem here? I hope not. Now, to test the point that is this inequality false or true. So that's for purpose. Test point. If you write here test PT, it's also called point. Like point equals to PT. If I write PT, it's okay. I'm just telling you short abbreviation of it. Now test point. Test point is what? Put 0, 0 origin in the given linear inequality. We have to add 0, 0 in the given inequality. So what is it? 5x minus 4y less than equals to 20. What is 5x 0 minus 4y 0 less than equals to 20. 0 minus 0 less than equals to 20. 0 less than equals to 20. Is this true or false? Is 0 less than 20? Just think about it. Yes, it is true. 0 is always less than 20. So this equation is true. Alright. Now on the basis of this, we will get our shaded area above or low towards the origin or above towards the origin or arrows must x, x dash, y, y dash. We have to represent minus 5, 4, 0, so I will definitely mark up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Similarly, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5. We can add 6, 7 up to so on, but right now I think it's enough to present this. So, for first order pair is 0 and minus 5. If x is 0 and y is minus 5, not upward, downward. 5 minus 5 is must point here. Now next, x is 4, y is 0. If y is 0, again this point, and 4 is this one. So this point is known as 0 and minus 5. 0 and minus 5. Alright. And this point is known as 4 and 0. By joining these points, we get a line. We joining by these 2 points. Alright, and arrow must. This is a line which cut 2 points, 4, 0 and 0 minus 5. Clear? Now, this is called. Now wait. Now is this true or false? Yes, it is true. Whenever it is true, then shaded area will be towards the origin. And when it is false, shaded area will be away from origin. So what we do, just is true. So we will just shade the area towards the origin inside. You will do by your pencil. Actually, I am representing this on board, so that's why I have to do like that. So, alright. And now in the end, we will join these points, join these 2 lines like that. This is the shaded area. Alright, simple as that. And this is called 5x minus 4y equals to 20. This slope is called 5x minus 4y equals to 20. I hope it's clear.